Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quick and easy scrambled eggs. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 2 to 3 large eggs per person, a small pat of butter, and a good non-stick pan. A tiny splash of milk or water, about 1 teaspoon per egg, can make your eggs extra fluffy. This method ensures a perfect breakfast every time, ready in just minutes. Get ready to enjoy a delicious and satisfying meal. Now, let's prepare the eggs. Crack your desired number of eggs into a bowl. Whisk them gently with a fork or whisk until the yolks and whites are just combined, but don't overdo it. A few streaks of white are actually a good sign. Season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper now, as this helps distribute the flavor evenly throughout your eggs. This simple step is key to delicious results. Time to cook. Place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat and melt about 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is foamy, pour in your egg mixture. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds until the edges begin to set. Then, using a rubber spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Repeat this process until the eggs are mostly set but still slightly moist. The final step is crucial for perfect scrambled eggs. Remove the pan from the heat when the eggs are still slightly wet and glossy. They will continue to cook from residual heat. This ensures they remain creamy and never dry. Serve your delicious, fluffy scrambled eggs immediately on warm toast, with bacon, or alongside your favorite breakfast items. For more great deals, and to grab that Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener, check the link in the description below. Enjoy your amazing meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.